When it comes to choosing the best SUV for your family, reliability is often at the top of the list. After all, a dependable vehicle ensures peace of mind, minimizing the chances of unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. According to Consumer Reports, these 7 SUVs stand out for their outstanding reliability, performance, and safety features, making them excellent choices for families who want a vehicle they can count on year after year. Subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a compact crossover that's been turning heads due to its stylish design, engaging driving dynamics, and impressive reliability. It's an excellent option for families who want a vehicle that combines practicality with a more premium feel. While it's smaller than some other family SUVs, the CX-5 offers plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a top choice for families who prefer a more compact SUV. The Mazda CX-5 has one of the most attractive designs in its class, with sleek lines, a sculpted body, and an elegant front grille. Its exterior design gives it a sophisticated, almost luxury car feel, which is complemented by high-quality interior materials that make the cabin feel upscale. Inside, the Mazda CX-5 offers a cozy and refined cabin. While the rear seats may not be as spacious as those in larger SUVs, the front seats are incredibly comfortable, and the cabin is quiet even at highway speeds. The cargo space is generous for a compact SUV, and the rear seats fold down flat to create more room for larger items. The interior features soft touch materials, leather upholstery, on-hire trims, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Speaking of the infotainment system, the CX-5 comes with a well-integrated 10.25-inch touchscreen display that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The infotainment system is easy to use, and the controls are intuitive, with a rotary dial to adjust settings while keeping your focus on the road. Higher trims offer additional features like a premium sound system and navigation, enhancing the driving experience for families on long trips. The Mazda CX-5 is known for its sporty performance, which makes it stand out in the compact SUV segment. With a choice of a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine or a turbocharged version, the CX-5 delivers plenty of power for everyday driving. The handling is precise and agile, making it a fun car to drive, while still providing a smooth ride. The available all-wheel drive system ensures the CX-5 is capable in various weather conditions, adding to its versatility. In terms of safety, the Mazda CX-5 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced features, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features, combined with the CX-5's strong crash test ratings, make it a safe and dependable choice for families. With its premium feel, sporty performance, and excellent reliability, the Mazda CX-5 is a top choice for families looking for a smaller SUV with a big personality. 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe is a midsize SUV that strikes an excellent balance between comfort, practicality, and reliability, making it a top choice for families. Consumer Reports consistently praises its reliability, and for good reason. The Santa Fe offers a premium feel at a more affordable price point, with generous standard features and a comfortable, spacious interior. On the outside, the Hyundai Santa Fe has a modern and bold design with a distinctive front grille and sleek lines that give it a stylish, sophisticated look. Its dimensions make it an ideal size for families who want a vehicle that is easy to maneuver in urban settings, but still offers enough space for passengers and gear. Inside, the Santa Fe is spacious and well-equipped. The cabin features high-quality materials, and the seats are comfortable and supportive for long drives. The rear seats are spacious enough for adult passengers to sit comfortably, and the large rear cargo area offers plenty of room for strollers, sports equipment, or groceries. With the rear seats folded down, the Santa Fe transforms into a versatile cargo space, making it easy to haul larger items when needed. Hyundai has equipped the Santa Fe with an intuitive infotainment system that includes a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The system is easy to navigate, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. Higher trims offer additional features like a larger touchscreen, a premium sound system, and an integrated navigation system. Under the hood, the Santa Fe offers a range of engine options, including a hybrid model that provides excellent fuel efficiency for families who prioritize eco-friendliness. The Santa Fe is known for its smooth and comfortable ride, with responsive handling that makes it easy to drive. 5. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback has become a favorite among families who love the great outdoors but don't want to sacrifice everyday practicality. Known for its all-wheel drive system and rugged ability, the Outback is an SUV that combines adventure with family-friendly features. It's an excellent option for families who enjoy weekend getaways, hiking trips, or snowy conditions. The Outback's design is functional and appealing, with a high ground clearance and an athletic stance that hints at its off-road capabilities. It's compact enough to be agile in city driving while still offering plenty of space for passengers and cargo. Inside, the Subaru Outback offers a comfortable and spacious cabin with ample legroom in both the front and rear seats. The rear seat backs fold down flat, expanding the cargo area significantly. The Outback's interior is designed for practicality, with plenty of storage options for gear, food, or whatever your family needs for an outing. The Subaru Outback is powered by either a 4-cylinder or a more powerful 6-cylinder engine, and it comes with Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system as standard. The all-wheel drive ensures that the Outback can handle a variety of weather conditions, including snow, rain, and mud, making it an excellent option for families who live in areas with harsh winters or who enjoy outdoor adventures. The Outback also comes equipped with an advanced infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB ports to keep everyone connected. Higher trims come with a premium audio system and additional comfort features like heated seats and a power-adjustable driver's seat. Subaru's EyeSight suite of safety features comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, pre-collision braking, and more. This makes the Outback an excellent choice for families who want an SUV that combines reliability, safety, and the ability to go wherever their adventures take them. 4. Toyota 4Runner. If your family loves to get off the beaten path and explore the great outdoors, the Toyota 4Runner is an excellent choice. Known for its rugged off-road capabilities, the 4Runner is the perfect vehicle for families who want an SUV that can handle both city streets and challenging trails. Despite its focus on off-road prowess, the 4Runner is also a reliable and comfortable option for families, making it an ideal all-around vehicle. The 4Runner's exterior design is tough and muscular, with bold lines and a commanding presence. Whether you're taking it through the city or across rugged terrain, the 4Runner's body-on-frame construction ensures that it can take whatever you throw at it. Inside, the Toyota 4Runner offers a spacious cabin that can seat up to 7 passengers with the optional third-row seating. The seats are supportive, and there's enough room for both adults and children to sit comfortably. While the 4Runner may not have the same level of luxury as some other family SUVs, it's built with durability and functionality in mind, offering plenty of room for family gear, luggage, or pets. The rear seats fold down flat to increase cargo space, making it even more practical for families. The Toyota 4Runner's performance is what truly sets it apart. With a powerful V6 engine and available 4-wheel drive, the 4Runner is ready for any adventure, whether it's a weekend camping trip or a day at the beach. Its off-road capabilities are legendary, with features like Hill Start Assist, Crawl Control, and Multi-Terrain Select, ensuring it can tackle even the toughest trails. In terms of safety, the 4Runner comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense P, which includes advanced features like lane departure warning, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control. These features give families added confidence, whether they're cruising down the highway or navigating rough terrain. With its rugged off-road capabilities, reliability, and space for gear and passengers, the Toyota 4Runner is an ideal choice for adventurous families. 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a compact SUV that has become a go-to choice for families seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient vehicle with plenty of interior space and solid performance. While it's smaller than the typical 3-row SUV, the CR-V still provides a comfortable and spacious cabin, offering a perfect balance of family-friendly features and practicality. Consumer Reports regularly highlights the CR-V's reliability, and its low-maintenance costs make it an attractive option for families looking for a long-lasting vehicle. On the outside, the Honda CR-V is simple yet stylish, with clean lines and a sleek design that makes it a modern classic in the compact SUV segment. The SUV's compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and parking is never a hassle, making it an ideal choice for urban families or those who spend a lot of time in busy cities. Inside, the Honda CR-V is incredibly spacious size. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, with ample headroom and legroom, even for taller drivers. The rear seats are similarly generous, making it easy for adults to sit comfortably in the back. The CR-V also offers an impressive cargo area for a compact SUV with plenty of space for groceries, strollers, luggage, or sports gear. The rear seats fold down flat, creating even more space when needed. The CR-V comes equipped with a highly intuitive infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen interface, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Honda's infotainment system is one of the most user-friendly systems on the market, making it easy for families to access navigation, music, and other features without distraction. Under the hood, the Honda CR-V offers a turbocharged engine and a hybrid option, both of which provide a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. The turbocharged engine is efficient enough for daily commutes, and the hybrid variant is especially attractive for families who want to maximize their fuel savings. The CR-V handles beautifully, with responsive steering and a smooth, comfortable ride. 2. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has earned its place as one of the most reliable and practical family SUVs on the market. As a 3-row crossover, the Highlander is an excellent choice for families that need the flexibility to carry multiple passengers without compromising on comfort or cargo space. Consumer Reports has long lauded the Highlander for its durability, and it continues to be a top pick for those seeking a long-lasting, low-maintenance vehicle. The exterior design of the Highlander is modern and stylish, with a bold front end and sleek lines that enhance its aerodynamic profile. It's a good size, neither too large nor too small, making it easy to maneuver in both city streets and tight parking lots, while still providing ample space for passengers and gear. Inside, the Highlander excels in terms of space and versatility. The 3 rows of seating offer generous room for up to 8 passengers in the base model, 7 in higher trims with captain's chairs in the 2nd row. The 1st and 2nd rows are spacious, with plenty of legroom and headroom for adults, while the 3rd row is best suited for children or smaller adults, but is still a welcome addition for families with more than 5 people. The interior materials vary depending on the trim, but you can expect a premium feel in the higher trims, with soft touch materials, leather upholstery, and wood accents. The Highlander's tech offerings are user-friendly, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that integrates Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. There are also multiple USB ports throughout the cabin, ensuring that every passenger can stay charged and connected. Additionally, the higher trims come with a premium audio system that enhances the experience on longer road trips or family outings. Under the hood, the Toyota Highlander offers both a traditional gasoline engine and a hybrid option. The hybrid version is particularly appealing for families looking for fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The Highlander Hybrid delivers impressive miles per gallon, which is a big selling point for families that frequently drive long distances. On the road, the Highlander provides a smooth and comfortable ride with responsive handling and a surprisingly quiet cabin, even at highway speeds. 1. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX has built a solid reputation over the years as one of the most reliable and luxurious SUVs on the market. For families seeking the combination of comfort, style, and dependability, the RX remains a standout. It's no wonder that Consumer Reports has consistently ranked it among the best for reliability, as Lexus' commitment to high-quality craftsmanship is evident throughout the vehicle. The RX exterior is sleek and modern, with a bold front grille and sharp lines that lend it an air of sophistication. Whether you opt for the standard RX 350 or the more performance-focused RX 500 hours hybrid, the RX offers a smooth, confident ride that is ideal for families. The SUV also provides an exceptionally quiet cabin, making it a great choice for those who frequently take long trips or drive in busy urban environments. Inside, the Lexus RX pampers its occupants with plush seating and high-end materials. The front seats are deeply supportive and come with a range of adjustment options, while the rear seats are spacious and comfortable, with enough legroom and headroom for even taller passengers. The rear row folds flat, offering plenty of cargo space when you need to haul luggage or sports equipment for the family. The RX cabin is filled with high-quality materials like leather upholstery, soft-touch plastics, and wood accents, which enhance its luxury feel. When it comes to technology, the Lexus RX is well-equipped. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen that's responsive and easy to use, though some users may prefer the available touchscreen controls over the touchpad interface. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa are all standard, so keeping your family connected while on the go is never a hassle. Lexus also offers a premium sound system in the higher trims, which elevates the in-cabin experience even further. For safety, the RX includes a full suite of advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and a pre-collision system that can detect pedestrians and other vehicles. These features are standard on every RX model, which helps give families peace of mind on every journey. The RX reliability, safety, and luxury make it an ideal choice for families looking for a long-lasting vehicle that delivers on every front. Each of these vehicles offers a unique combination of features that cater to different needs, from top-tier safety systems to user-friendly infotainment and impressive fuel efficiency.